In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and set up a mega menu in Wix Editor. Whether you're looking to elevate your website's navigation or simply add a visually appealing menu, this guide will walk you through the process, making it easy to follow even if you're new to using Wix. First of all, let's open the Wix Editor by logging into your Wix account and selecting the site you want to edit. Once inside the editor, we're going to look for the menu bar. This is where we'll be attaching our mega menu, so make sure you have this in place. If you don't already have one, you can quickly add it by choosing Add from the toolbar, then selecting Menu, followed by Add to Page. With your menu bar selected, look at the Options panel that appears on the right. Here, we'll be choosing Manage Menu. This is your central hub for all things navigation related, where you can add, remove, or rearrange your menu items. Go ahead and start organizing your menu items as you'd like them to appear on your mega menu. The next step involves creating the actual mega menu drop-down. Select the menu item that you want to serve as the head of your mega menu. In the Options panel, click Add Submenu. This is where your mega menu will start to take shape. Now, let's give each submenu a dedicated page or section. This is crucial because the mega menu allows visitors to navigate directly to subcategories or specific content areas. You can assign existing pages or create new ones, whatever fits your website structure best. If you want to create new pages, just hit Add on the toolbar, select Page, and give it a meaningful name. With your submenu items in place, it's time to design your mega menu. Click on the submenu item to access the design options, where you can adjust the layout, fonts, colors, and spacing. If you want to keep a cohesive theme across your site, consider matching these to your existing color scheme and typography. You can customize how many columns your mega menu will have, their width, and the overall dimensions to perfectly fit your website's design. This ability to customize is one of the strengths of using a mega menu, so take your time to get this right. Finally, preview your mega menu by switching your Wix Editor to preview mode. Check to make sure your links work correctly and everything appears as you intended. If you notice any issues, just return to the editor to make any necessary adjustments. Once satisfied, publish your site. Congratulations, your new mega menu is live, enhancing the user experience on your website. Make sure to monitor how visitors interact with your new navigation to see if any further tweaks are needed. Thanks for following along, and good luck with your website enhancements.